Hi, my name is Mike Wearer. People have been asking me how to make these face masks that I've been making lately. They're based on the Olsen pattern, which is 6 pieces of cloth that you cut and sew back together. I've simplified it down to just 2 pieces of cloth. You'll need a pattern. 16 by 7 bow tie shape seems to work best that I've found. You want to trace that onto your cloth. Trace it, cut it out, and you'll end up with 2 pieces like this. Quite simply, what you do next is sew the top 2 pieces together. Right across the top's edge. Okay. The next thing you do is you take 2 hairbands. You want to put 1 hairband on each of your pieces of cloth. Once you have the hairbands on, sort of in the middle, you want to sew the other 2 edges together, just like you did the first time. All right. Now, what you want to do, here's sort of the magic part. You pull the 2 headbands apart so that the parts you just sewed, those edges, come together and they form sort of a pocket with the hairbands at either end. All that remains is to sew up the sides. Now this is inside out right now, so we're going to sew right along the edge here. And then the other edge, you want to go about 2/3 of the way because you're going to need to turn it right side out. And can't do that if it's sewed all the way shut. Okay. Now, all we have to do is put it right side out, sort of pull it around. You notice the hairbands are nicely secured. Now, you have an opening left. Fold down those edges so it looks kind of neat. Pull it together so you've got a nice, neat edge like that. And then just sew right across the bottom there. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. And quite quickly and easily, you can make a face mask. Just like that.